Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are again. We're back at the house where we did the back porch, 12 by 18. They got a lot done since last time we were here, so check it out and I'll show you what we're doing. They added all these pavers. That air compressor's killing me. Anyway,
I want to make one that's like super quiet.
I don't know, right? Anyway, we're putting up the ceiling here. Electricians done all their stuff. We put that vinyl siding on back here. Right here, covered up all these wires, put this OSB back on, and now we're on this ceiling, barn siding, painted white. And it ain't easy. Anyway, we're gonna go up to there and do this wall. A lot of ladder action today.
How many can I go?
I think two more. Two more and we'll be at the light. Yep. Hey, I want to get a shout out there out to all my new subscribers. Hey, I appreciate it. You guys are really helping me out. It's worth doing it when I got somebody that's actually watching it. So thank you for the subscribers and everybody watching. I appreciate it. If you like, subscribe. I got a lot of videos coming out. We're going to be busy. It's going to be a good summer. So here we go. I'll set this camera up and start getting it done. Hey Vern, so what we got going on here, the secret is to see no nails. So we're gluing the rafters to hold up the ceiling, and then we shoot a finish nail in the tongue, and that hides the nail. Next one goes over it, you never see no holes. It works out pretty good. And everybody asks you, how's it staying up there? Let them figure it out for themselves. A short day. We just had to do these pine boards on the ceiling, knotty pine. They painted it. It was hard to get together, but we got it, and it looks pretty good. They're still gonna finish. Carpenter's gonna do a little bit of trim around there to make it even look better. Take a look. I'll show you what we got. Looks like vinyl. It's just wood. Real nice. Holes are cut real nice. Put it on the wall. Oh, looks real good. Yeah. These are steps. They're still trying to figure them out. With pavers, that's all going to be pavers. Right to that jacuzzi right there. That's a big ass jacuzzi. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you like what you see, subscriptions are free. Subscribe, ring my bell, comment. I'll answer them. I want to thank everybody out there too. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm getting more and more views. I really appreciate it. Makes it worth the while of editing. Everybody said, oh, editing's a bitch. Oh yeah, it is. It takes a while to edit one of these videos. Alright, so have a good one. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I just want to put a small reminder in at the end of this video. This weekend is Memorial Weekend. Just keep in the back of your mind, hey, freedom wasn't free. Somebody died so you could play in your backyard. Thanks a lot.